For today's video, we're going to make this super easy caterpillar finger puppet that you can play with. Are you guys ready? Here are our material list. I'll list them below in our description box. Today's design is going to be done by Scarlett. Let's draw out circle shapes from these colorful Bristol paper. You can either draw them freestyle or use a circle object to draw out the shape. We're going to use these 4 different color papers. Once you drew all those 5 circles, let's cut them out. The caterpillar is going to have googly eyes. We're going to use a hot glue gun. Let's connect the edges of the caterpillar as well. Now, using another small stencil, let's draw 4 circles on a caterpillar where the finger is going to go in. Using the cutting knife and scissors, let's cut them out. Once it's all cut out, let's use glue and attach glitter gems to the caterpillar to make it look shiny and cute. Now for the last part, we're going to make caterpillar's antenna and attach them to caterpillar's head. We all done. Hope you guys have fun watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next week.